Galen, the Invest to Protect Act focuses on police departments with 200 people or less. The legislation would provide federal funds for training, body cameras, mental health resources, as well as recruitment and retention.
The Kelso Police Department in the small rural community in Southwest Washington has struggled to fill positions. They currently have 28 sworn positions, but only 23 spots filled.
Like most of the state, we're trying to recruit and fill vacancies that have been kind of an epidemic for us in the last 18 months.
Chief Dar Kirk says they've been trying to catch up for the last 3 years, but retirements, resignations, and candidates not making it through training has kept them below budgeted staffing levels.
Any incentive that we can help keep those officers even longer would be helpful for our staffing. And then recruiting new officers for our agency, any incentives would be extremely helpful.
That's one of the goals of the Invest to Protect Act, a legislation introduced by Congresswoman Herrera Beutler.
There are a lot of small forces across the nation that just don't have the resources to bring them, up to a 21st century level, whether it's technology and data or training or recruitment and retention, and this money is going to help them get there.
The funding would amount to $200 million over 4 years. The Congresswoman says it will help shore up mental health resources, training, recruitment and retention, and investments in body-worn cameras.
Law enforcement is on board when it comes to meaningful reform, and we think body cameras are going to help with that.
The Kelso Police Department just approved a camera program. Chief Kirk says that comes at a steep cost for a department their size.
It's not only going to improve transparency with the public, but it's also going to reassure law enforcement that they have some assurances that what happens on calls gets out to the public so that it's accurate and not speculative. So we're hopeful that this legislation passes.
Herrera Beutler is hoping to get more co-sponsors for the bill and bring it up for a vote in the House.
All right, Christelle Kumei reporting live in our newsroom. Thank you so much, Christelle.